Hello and welcome. My name is Kit, and I'd like to take you on a tour of anthropology and archaeology at Bristol.
Anthropology. So this is the study of humankind in all its aspects. So anthropologists ask questions about what it means to be human. So this includes religion and ritual, it could be medical systems, material creations, our biology, our evolution, our political and economic organization. So it's about what makes us human. The study of human activity in the past, specifically looking at artifacts and physical remains, the things that humans of the past have left behind.
Lecturers are so passionate about what they teach, and it makes the learning a lot more interactive, and everyone's so enthusiastic you want to learn.
I loved the teaching. Every lecturer I met was just so interesting. They all had their completely unique research topics, and I felt really listened to and engaged with all of my units. I really enjoyed it.
It's not only theory, we've also had practical activities to make it realistic, and the lecturers have been super supportive and offered their help throughout my time at Bristol.
And hearing from people who are really passionate about what they're talking about makes a world of difference.
The lecturers are lovely, all of them, and it's really cool that they have done research or are doing research alongside their studies, so they incorporate what they're studying as well. So you kind of feel like you're actually studying current research as well.
Well, anthropology draws a really interesting mix of people because the subject itself is very far-reaching.
They were lovely. It's a really mixed group, I think. People from a lot of different backgrounds, interested in a lot of different elements of anthropology. So it made for a really nice group.
We discuss everything, we support each other, we help each other out, and it's really nice to be part of that community.
Next year I'm the social secretary for the society, so which demonstrates how much I enjoy interacting with other anthropologists and archaeologists. That's where I'm going to come in, and I really want to have some socials where we drink, we don't, but really just trying to get everyone to meet each other. And we have anthropology families, so it means you then have a close-knit group of people who you really know well.
People who choose to do anthropology are people who are interested in people.
So I'm a biomolecular archaeologist, and my research is focused on ancient diet and reconstructing what people were eating in prehistory through traces of fats found in archaeological pottery. And this is something which allows us to tackle questions from the origins of dairying right through to reconstructing particular ritual or cultural practices based upon what people were consuming.
Our research seeks to understand how attitudes towards female genital mutilation are spread in a rural population in Ethiopia.
My research is based in the Amazonian rainforests of South America. So my research has two strands in particular. The first considers how Indigenous people who previously had little contact with the outside world make sense of national society and the state. In particular, how their encounters with the non-Indigenous realm actually mirrors their perceptions of and activities within the forest.
I am an expert in Mediterranean archaeology, particularly the period of the Greeks and the Phoenicians. I look at the interactions they had with one another and other populations in the wider Mediterranean world.
I look at human behaviour from an evolutionary point of view. How did monogamy evolve in humans? Why did large-scale societies emerge? And what are the drivers of the huge changes taking place in society today?
Sort of a degree that is so applicable everywhere that no matter what you go into, you'll use the skills that you gained. So from research to wider thinking, it really equips you.
So I'm super excited to get out into the world and explore through my anthropological lens.